Who doesn't get excited about getting ready to go on vacation? And maybe for you, it's been 2 or 3 years since you've taken an actual vacation because of everything going on, and now you're more than ready to go out and travel. But you might have forgotten that there are some important things that you need to do before you depart that will save you some stress while traveling. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 things that you should do before you leave for vacation. Let's go.
Dream vacations start here.
The first thing you should do is to notify your credit card company that you're heading on vacation. You don't want to forget to do this and then have your credit card company decline transactions because they think they might be fraudulent. You can usually notify your credit card company of your travel plans through an online form on their website or through their app. You also want to make sure that you have enough available credit on your credit cards so you don't max out. The second thing you should do is to contact your cell phone company. If you're going to be traveling internationally, then you might want to make sure that you can still use your cell phone while in another country. Cell phone providers do offer short-term international plans and even international day passes. And I actually did a video about how to use your cell phone internationally that breaks down the options and even the options that go beyond the cell phone providers that you currently use. If you're interested in knowing more about how to use your cell phone internationally, I'll link that video in the video description below for you to check out. The third thing you should do before you head off on vacation is to double check your reservations and flight information if you have flights booked. Make sure you have all your reservations booked for the correct dates as well as all the confirmation numbers you're going to need. A good app to use to help keep all your trip information together is an app called TripIt. So without having to dig through your email box to find things you booked months ago, you can store it all in this app. You can upload PDFs or photos, it'll give you airport terminal maps and give you a day-to-day detailed itinerary. It's very customizable and will help to keep you organized. The next thing you should do is to check your monthly bills that might be due while you're on vacation. You don't want to get hit with late fees. So make sure that your housing expenses like your rent, mortgage, utilities, internet, cell phone, etc. are all taken care of before you depart for your trip. The next one might seem obvious, but a lot of people forget to do this, and that is to check the weather. Check the forecast for your destination and your hometown for when you'll be returning and pack appropriately. If you are flying, you'll want to check the weather for any connecting cities and for your final destination. If there are storms in the forecast, then you might want to consider either switching your flight times around to try and depart before a storm hits or to try and connect to a different city to avoid any delays or cancellations. On to the number 6 thing to do before you leave for vacation, which is to check for any perishable food in your house. You will want to eat, throw away, or give away any food that might spoil while you're away. You definitely don't want to come home to a stinky fridge. Also, run the dishwasher, take out your trash, and make sure there's no food in your drain that could rot or attract bugs while you're away. Moving on to number 7, leave an itinerary with a friend or family member. You should definitely have an emergency contact while you're traveling, especially if you're traveling alone. If you're using the TripIt app, as I mentioned earlier, you can easily do this through the app and share with as many people as you would like. The next thing to do is to notify your home security company. You want to do this just in case your home alarm goes off while you're away. If your home security company knows you're on vacation, then any alarm that goes off is handled a little bit differently than if it goes off any other time. Also, if you're having someone come over to check on your house from time to time, you want to mention that to the security company as well. Number 9, place a hold on your mail delivery. This is one thing that I usually always forget to do, but it's a smart move if you're going to be away for a while. You will also want to make sure there are no Amazon packages heading your way while you're gone. You definitely don't want a pile of packages on your doorstep for a long period of time. Hopefully you have a neighbor or a friend that can pick these items up for you while you're gone. And lastly, number 10 is to clean out your wallet or purse. Take out any items that you do not need on your trip. This would include extra credit cards, loyalty cards, old receipts, gift cards. If you don't need them, take them out until after your trip. Well, did I miss anything? If I did, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear how you prepare for your trip. Make sure to give this video a like if you found this video helpful and consider subscribing to get more of these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I hope to see you in a future video.